Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Coder Lakshya, and today we are going to learn about data type strings and its operations in Python. So let's get started. So first of all, let us see what did we learn in our previous video. So we learned about nested loops. That nested loops are loops inside loops. Okay. So now in my previous video, I have also given you a homework. So this is the solution for that homework. Let me run it. See. We have to print 1, then 2 2, then 3 3 3, then 4 4 4 4, then 5 5 5 5 5. So this is the solution. Okay, so now what are strings in Python? So a string is a list of characters. It can be a combination of alphabets, numbers, punctuations, or can even include space. In Python, anything enclosed between double quotes or single quotes is considered as a string. Like this hello, how are you is a greeting, but it is enclosed between two double quotes. So it is considered as a string. And this is a telephone number. But it is enclosed between two double quotes, so it will be considered as a string in Python. These are empty strings. So empty strings are also considered as strings. Okay. And this is a ID number, but if it is enclosed between two double quotes or two single quotes, then it will be considered as string. And this is a sentence from Alice in Wonderland book, and it is also considered as a string. Okay, so anything enclosed between two double quotes or two single quotes is considered as a string. Okay, so strings in Python. If str is a string variable, suppose that str is a string variable and its value is chocolate. We have saved a string chocolate in this str variable. Okay, so if we will write print str, then in square brackets we will write 0, then it will print the first letter of the chocolate word, that is C. Why? Because the index of this letter is C. So what is index? Index is like an address assigned to each and every character in Python. Okay, here index of C is 0, index of H is 1, index of C is 3, index of O is 2, index of A is 6, and so on. Okay, str and then in square brackets 1 refers to second character and so on. Okay, finally str and then in square brackets len minus 1 refers to last character, where len is the length of string. Okay, let me show you. So here str is a variable and chocolate is its value. Okay, here I have created a variable naming str and its value is chocolate. Okay, and now I will print str then 5. Now save and now run. See, it is printing L. The index always starts with 0. Okay, so 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then this L is 5. Okay, so now what if I write str len minus 1? So to write this I have to create one more variable, len is equals to len str. So what is this len? This len will calculate the length of this variable str. Okay, so here the length of this chocolate is 9 because there are 9 letters in this word. Now I will save it and now I will run it. E. So this is the last character. It is printing the last character of chocolate. So now, useful string functions and methods. So the first function that we are going to learn about is len. Just now we have used it, right? So this len is used to determine length of anything. Okay. So it will calculate the length of the string s. Okay. Plus this plus add two strings together. Star. Repeat a string s dot find, and in brackets we will write x. Then it will find the first position of x in the string s. Okay. S dot count this. So it will count the number of times x is in the string s. S dot upper. Return a new string that is all uppercase or lowercase. S dot replace x with y. It will return a new string that has replaced the substring x with a new substring y. S dot strip. Return a new string with white space stripped from the end. So I will show you every function. So sorry, here first function is len. So len is equals to len str, and now print len. So here len is a variable, and in this variable I am calculating the length of this string str. Now I will save it and now I will run it. So the length of this is 9. Okay. Now our second function is plus. So here I am creating one more string. ABC is equals to ice cream. Okay. Now I will write print str plus ABC. Now I will save it and now I will run it. See, it is printing chocolate ice cream, right? So it is this plus will join the two strings. Now our next method is star. So I will write print str star 10. So now it will print chocolate 10 times. Now save and now run. See, chocolate, 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 chocolate 10 times. Okay. Now our next method is s dot find this. So I will write str dot find o. Okay, now I then print, sorry, here I will write print. Now first it will find o in chocolate and then it will print the index. Save and now run. 2. So the first o is at 2. 0, 1 and then 2. Okay. Now our next method is dot count. Okay. So now print abc dot count. Count, okay, it will count o. Now save, and now done. So O is coming 0 times. Okay. So in ABC there is no O, so it is printing 0. Now our next method is dot upper and dot lower. Okay. So I will print str dot lower. So now it will convert this chocolate in lowercase. Now this chocolate is in uppercase, it will convert it in lowercase. Now I will save it and now I will run it. See, chocolate in small case, lowercase. Now I will print abc dot upper. So it will convert this string ice cream in uppercase and then it will print it. Save and now run. See, this is in lowercase and this is in uppercase. Ice cream is in uppercase. Okay. So now our next method is dot replace. Now I will print str dot replace O with E. Okay, so here in str it will replace the character O with character E. Okay, now I will save it and now run. See, it is here in place of E there was O, but now it is printing E, right? So it is also working. Now s dot strip, our last function. Print str dot strip. Now I will save it and now I will run it. See, it is printing that because there is nothing in these brackets. Now if I write E, then it will strip this E. Now I will save and now run. See, there is no E in the end. See, so it has stripped this E. So now activities. Analyze the few paragraphs of the book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay, and then print the story name, print the length of the story name, print number of times Charlie is used, convert the story name to uppercase and lowercase, find the location of chocolate, replace chocolate with ice cream. So we have to do all of these. Now I am creating a new file and then book name is equals to Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay, and now print book name. I am printing the name of the book. Here, this book name is a variable and this is a string. Okay. Now I will save and now I will run. See, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, it is printing. Now, len1 is equals to len book name. So here, I have created a variable len1 and here I am calculating the length of this book name. Now print len1. I will save and now done. See, the length of this is 33. Now book content is equals to the kids who are going to find the golden tickets are the ones who can afford to buy bar of chocolate every day. Our Charlie gets only one a year. The there is okay. So this is the line from this book. Here I have used three double quotes. Why? Because this string is in multiple lines. So I have to use these three double quotes. Okay. Now I will print book content. Now count 1 is equals to book content dot count Charlie. Print H is Charlie is used is equals to double quotes closed and then count 1. Now I will save and now done. So this is the book content. Charlie is used one time. Okay. So now this is done. This is done. This is done. Okay. Now convert the story name to uppercase and lowercase. So I will print book name dot upper. Now save and now done. Let's see. It is converting the whole book name into uppercase. Now print book name dot lower. Now save and now done. See, this is in lowercase. Now find the location of chocolate, then replace chocolate with ice cream. Okay. So now I will print book content dot find chocolate. Now save and now done. Sorry, I have to write content. Now save and now done. See, the chocolate is at 93 index. Now I have to replace chocolate with ice cream. So now I will print book content dot replace chocolate with ice cream. Okay, ice cream. Now save and now done. See, the here chocolate is replaced with ice cream. Okay, so now our next activity is check if the word entered by the user is palindrome, that is, reads the same from both sides. Example, madam. So now we will create a new program. So here we have to check a word is a palindrome or not. Okay. So now first we will create a variable in1 is equals to then input. First I am asking for an input from our user. Enter a word. Now I will check that a word is a palindrome or not. So to check that I will use if in1 is equals to in1 this. So why I am using this? This is used so that I can reverse this string. that is entered by the user. I will explain everything after writing this program. So print, here I will print in1 then is a palindrome. Okay. Now else print that in1 is not a palindrome. Now I will save and now I will run. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, now run. See, enter a word. So I am entering madam. Madam is a palindrome. Now I will write race car. Race car is a palindrome. Okay. Now I will write apple. Apple is not a palindrome. So first I am taking input from a user, then I am checking that the word entered by the user is same as the word is reversed. And if this is true, then it will print in1 is a palindrome, else it will print in1 is not a palindrome. Okay. So now let us see what did we learn today. So we learned about string manipulation functions such as len, count, find, upper, lower, replace, etc. So I hope that you got to learn something new from this video. Please like my video and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe my channel, and if you want to learn Python in Hindi, then I have a separate channel for that. The name of the channel is the code Lakshya Hindi. Check out that channel too. So we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, thanks for watching.